Hey guys, Chris Faustman, VP of Product Development with Artec Industries. Today we're out here at Sand Hollow State Park, where we're here for the Trail Hero event. We're really excited to test out a bunch of new products that just ran through product development, and we've got a ton of new prototypes on our Red Gladiator here. And so today we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of those new products that we've developed and give you an engineering perspective of everything we did and exactly why we did it. This particular high clearance bumper follows the lines of the grill really nicely. It gives you some nice soft lines with the large radius and a couple of nice hard lines to give it some stylish fabricated look. And one of the key features is the fact that you remove approximately 3.5 inches of that front of that frame, and then you've got some more frame that you're able to anchor the bumper to. One of the big things is that you also have those crash bars that hang down from the frame and also secure your factory sway bar. And so let's take a look down here. You can see with the high clearance aspect that we have no crash bars. We also have relocated the sway bar. It works with the Curry anti-rock, and it also works with just a factory sway bar. Unfortunately, with the Rubicon sway bar motor unit, they tend to get in the way and they really hang down, so we try to prevent any smashing of products or destroying any products. So really, we just recommend the anti-rock sway bars from Rock Jock, as well as factory sway bars work great. And on the bumper, on the JLs and JTs, we have a new mounting point that mounts directly to the bumper, so it's got a nice solid surface to remount to. And then here we've got 35 degrees of clearance that has been added from the factory. So you essentially, from a factory bumper standpoint, you've gained about 4 to 4.5 inches of clearance on this particular setup. The other aspect that we've got is we've got 3/4 inch D-ring shackle mounts, and these shackle mounts help with those recovery points when you're in a tight spot as well. So these really are pretty much where your factory bumper was, but you've gained all that clearance underneath to kind of give you the clearance you need when you're out there trying to get up ledges and things like that.